Have you ever thought about what makes your lights turn on or your phone light up? It's all thanks to electricity. Electricity is a form of energy, just like light and heat. But what makes electricity so special? Electricity comes from tiny little things called charged particles. You can't see them, but they're in almost everything around you. These particles have something called an electric charge. Think of it like a tiny bit of energy stored inside them. When these charged particles move, they create electricity. It's like a flow of energy that we can use to power all sorts of amazing things. So how do we get this electricity flowing? There are loads of ways. One way is with batteries. Batteries store chemical energy and turn it into electrical energy. They're like little powerhouses for your gadgets. Another way is by using generators. Generators are like giant machines that use magnets and motion to create electricity. Lots of power plants use generators to make electricity for our homes. And guess what? Even the sun can make electricity. Solar panels use sunlight and turn it directly into electrical energy. It's a super cool and clean way to power our world. Have you ever rubbed a balloon on your hair and then watched it stick to the wall? That's static electricity. It happens when objects rub together and some charged particles jump from one object to another. This creates an imbalance of charges. One object ends up with more negative charges, and the other ends up with more positive charges. And you know what? Opposites attract. That's why the balloon sticks to the wall. Static electricity can also cause sparks. Ever gotten a little shock touching a doorknob? That's static electricity discharging. It's like a tiny lightning bolt. When electricity flows in a continuous loop, it's called current electricity. Imagine a river flowing. That's kind of like electric current. The charged particles move through a path called a circuit, and this flow of charge is what powers our lights, appliances, and everything else. Electricity is super important in our daily lives. We use it for lighting up our homes, charging our phones, watching TV, cooking food, and so much more. It's hard to imagine life without it.